Hello guys, in this video I'm telling you about all kitchen essential vocabulary. So first we start from kitchen tools. This is a ladle. This is a spatula. This is a whisk. This is a strainer. This is a perforated spoon. This is a colander. This is a grater. This is a peeler. This is a tongs. This is a funnel. This is a cutting board. This is a dish rack. This is a garlic press. This is a knife set. This is a cleaver. This is a knife. This is a kitchen scissor. This is a lemon squeezer. This is a matchbox. This is a kitchen towel. This is a cake slicer. This is an egg slicer. This is an oven gloves. This is a bottle opener. This is a corkscrew. Now we're talking about essential kitchen utensils. Yeah. So this is a saucepan. This is a frying pan. This is a griddle. This is a rolling pin. This is a pressure cooker. This is a wok. This is a baking tray. This is a thermos. This is a casserole dish. This is an ice cream scoop. This is a salt and pepper shakers. This is a cup. This is a mug. This is a glass. This is a bowl. This is a plate. This is a jar. This is a measuring spoons. This is a chopsticks. This is cutlery. So now we're talking about kitchen appliances. This is a blender. This is a juicer. This is a mixer. This is a microwave. This is a deep fryer. This is a gas stove. This is a kettle. This is a toaster. This is a dishwasher. This is a fridge. This is a sandwich maker. This is a waffle maker. This is an oven. This is a microwave. This is a sink. This is a rubbish bin. This is a fire extinguisher. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for new update. See you soon in next video.